Hey, Job Drops here, where you can get news and views on jobs that teachers don't tell you. And today we'll be covering network administrator. Now, who is a network administrator and why should you consider it as a career? A network administrator is a person designated in an organization whose responsibility includes maintaining computer infrastructures with emphasis on networking. So as you know, the internet runs on a series of different networks depending on the organization and depending on the type of business. And it's very integral because very few devices can actually run without some form of networking that goes on in the background. The role of a network administrator can vary significantly depending on an organization's size, location, and socio-economic considerations. Some organizations work on a user to technical support ratio, while others implement many other strategies. Incidents are raised through an issue tracking system. Typically, issues work their way through a help desk and then flow through to relevant technology information areas. Network administrators are often involved in proactive work, which can include network monitoring, testing the network, and keeping an eye out for needs of updates, email configuration, and evaluating and implementing networks. Now, according to Tech Republic, networking is one of the most underrated revolutions in technology, often overshadowed by high-profile enterprise technologies. Almost all major technologies are somehow dependent on networking and connectivity. As these technologies advance, so does the networking, as evidenced by mesh networks, edge computing, and of course you were to hear recently 5G. Nearly half of IT professionals said upgrading network systems and foundations as top priority in 2019. This increase is largely due to the influx of data in organizations, with companies relying on strong networks to transport and process data. With 4 out of 5 IT professionals believing digital transformation is necessary for business survival, businesses will need reliable networks to conduct such projects. So as you've heard, different technologies now require more on the internet, on networks to be able to carry the information along. That's how how the internet was even formed, by a series of networks. And as more technology comes out, more networks are needed for businesses to do their transactions and to do businesses. As one of the 13 most in-demand jobs in 2019, network administrators, or net admins, coordinate, operate, implement, and troubleshoot network hardware and software for an organization. They also build, maintain, oversee, and troubleshoot effective computer data and communications for various organizations. Net admins often work alongside in coordination with departmental managers to determine network goals and requirements of organization and necessary adjustments to said network. And it says an in demand for network. The demand for network administrators is projected to grow by 6% from 2016 to 2026. Organizations continue investing in the latest technology. Specifically, network administrators can expect significant growth rates in computer system design and related service industry, which is expected to grow by 20%. As more small to medium-sized businesses adopt cloud services, the demand for network and computer admins will rise, since SMBs typically aren't equipped with their own IT departments dedicated to networking. And some of the roles for network admins include network admin, system admin, which they say is a CCNA certificate required. I'll briefly go over that soon. And the network systems admin. Many network admins go on to be system analysts, IT consultants, web developers, system engineers, software engineers, lead technicians, and skills do you need? Network admins typically hold a bachelor's degree in computing, and this can be negligible, or other computer-related fields or business management, which I doubt they're going to actually hire if you have this. You have to have a certification for the most part. Network administrators should know how to configure complex networks with the ability to manage, control, and monitor server infrastructures according to the Pro Research Network Admin. The basic types of network will include LANs, local area network, wide area network, and a virtual private network, or as VPN. These VPNs are typically now more popular, especially in Europe, as they have passed a law which has banned persons from essentially uploading content that they might deem hateful or makes fun of somebody. So a lot of time, or just even to view content that might be hateful or funny or that could be criticizing the government. So a VPN, so they oftentimes might have to get a VPN, like for example NordVPN, to bypass these restrictions to get access to information. What is the pay scale like? On average, according to Glassdoor, 68,156 a year. I said that's on average base salary. This is when you're on average when you're just starting out, and it will depend on the organization that you will work for. What is their work environment? They typically will work with information in the educational services, financial insurance, and management of companies and enterprise systems, as well as computer system design and related services. Although many networks and computer system admins are employed by firms in the computer systems design and related service industry, they can work in a variety of settings. There's specialists, database administrators, and system managers. Their work schedule typically is full-time, and they'll ask them to work overtime to ensure that networks are working properly around the clock. So how to become one? Well, you have the Cisco Certified Network Associate, CCNA, which is a nice entry-level associate. Cisco and other companies offer various formal training courses to help students prepare for the exams. CCNA routing and switching is the most common to get into the networking field, and includes learning about IP addresses, LAN and WAN designs, including the OSI model. This is an international standard model of networking, as well as routers and different routing protocols. Of course, you can look up these information later. I'll link a few of the articles down below. Security, basic functions of operating systems using Cisco routers. And of course, these are routers that are typically used by many of the businesses. A CCNA certification remains valid for 3 years, at which point recertification is required. Professionals can instead choose to progress to a higher tier Cisco certification beyond CCNA, including the CCNP, the P just means practitioner, and CCIE certifications. Jobs needing the CCNA, which includes the network admin as well as network engineer, which is just a step up from network admin in more ways than one. Alright guys, I hope you like the content. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hope that you find this interesting and consider it as a career. And I hope to see you all in the next video.